how the CBT runs. Here is the exam by school. You can see grade 6 BPJ private school. That is the third promotional, not 10 promotional exam. And here we have the start here. Click on the start. Once you start, it's going to ask the candidate name. You put the name of the candidate that want to sit for the exam. Let's say Oluwa Dakun. There we have the exam mode. We don't need that. We don't need this. Take questions, 30 questions from entire file. You don't use all of that. Now the timer on here is meant to know if you want the time to be showing or not. But advisably, it is good to make it on so that the person can always see the time when how it runs. Then we have time limit here, talking about the minutes we want to give them for the exams. It can be increased. You can see it can be increased. Meanwhile, I'm making it 30 minutes. So I click on OK. Now the very first thing you're going to see before you get to the exam is instructions, depending on the person that set the exams. Now I made the instructions so that the pupils can easily, or the student can easily read through before they can start the exam. You can see, read the questions very well and pick your answer once to avoid automatic deductions by the computer system. So it depends on the instruction you want to give to them. So you put the instructions here. Now here, the next thing is you see, come down here, scroll down, and you click on begin. Now you can see the question. Dash is one of the abuses of computer. So the person pick is or answer. Dash is one of the abuses of the computer. You can see one of the abuses of computer is computer virus. Downloading abuses is virus. So person will click on scroll down and click on next. As it is the next question. Don't forget I told you about the time. Here is the time. Here now, time remaining. You have the time remaining. You can see that is 29 seconds remaining. So coming back to the question, second question now. The hard disk takes dash the hard disk takes care of spots on the surface of a disk that has gone bad. That is talking about scanning the hard disk, takes care of that. You go back again, take the next. You can see that the person can easily go back to the previous question to check. Now the use of GPS, stabilizer or power source suppressor will protect the hard disk from power problems. Click on next again. Meanwhile, we shouldn't forget that the timing, or the timer rather, is here running. One of the health problems that arise as a result of bad sitting position while working on the computer is the backache. Then we have the next again. Drawing mistakes or errors can be cleaned off using the eraser. That's talking about paint application. You have the next. Now the chief security officer in a computer network is called the dash. Pick the answer. That is the network supervisor. Now I'm wrapping it up. Now once the person is true, let's assume that I decided to finish everything off. Now then I come to the other side here. I can even enlarge it here. You can see I can increase the size of what I'm doing, so to make it bigger myself. And that's the single computer in a computer. That is a node. You can see that is a bit bigger than what I was doing before. One of the reasons for caring of the computer hardware is to reduce stress and fatigue. I click on next. You can see the people that repair services and maintain the computer systems are referred to as the computer technicians. They are the ones that repair it and not the operators. So once I'm through with everything, I can review all. Here you can see review all. Once I review all, start from number 1 again, meaning I want to check what I have done. That is once I'm through. But now, trying to use it as a demo, I don't want to waste much of our time. Then we have we can save the section.